Hey everyone, Marian here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have a new minimalism video for you guys. This one is going to be a closet tour in my son's room. I'm going to show you guys how I organize his dresser and closet, how we keep his minimalism wardrobe, and just how we organize and keep his room clean because as I've definitely learned along the way, the most helpful thing is to just have less stuff. So I'm going to show you guys what his room looks like and how we keep it all organized. And yeah, before we jump in, if you're new here, welcome. My name is Marian. I make videos about being a Jewish mom and minimalism with kids, so definitely hit the thumbs up button if you like this video and subscribe to my channel down below. Okay, let's get started. Okay, so I'll give you guys a really quick tour of the room. Not much has changed since I did a room tour when he was a little baby. The room has really held up well, and yeah, it's been great with him as he's grown. And of course, I do have a special guest with me today. This is Rocky, Max's dog, and yeah, it looks like he'll be joining us for this closet tour. Okay, so we have a lot of great closet space in this house, but I really try to not fill the closets and keep them as empty and minimalist as possible because it just helps so much, like I said, in keeping the room organized and clean. So in the first closet, I'll show you guys, this is Max's like clothes closet, I call it. And as you can see, there's not too much in here. I don't hang barely any of his clothes, just his jackets that we take with us on the go every day. He's got two little vests, and then these are his like nice shirts for when he's going out. And yeah, so just a few of those that I like to keep hung up and wrinkle free. And then as you can see, the whole closet up here is empty. All these shelves are empty, and then down there is just our sort of travel stuff, I call it. There's some beach toys and a travel like diaper bag. And I think I've mentioned this before, this is a skip hop like on the go bag if you get dirty clothes. So if we're like on a beach vacation or something, it's really useful. And then I just keep his pack and play sheet in here as well so that if we're traveling, I don't forget to take it. And then up top here, I talk about this in how to keep your kids' rooms clean video, but basically anytime he's too big for something or want to donate it, I put it in here so it just keeps the clutter out of the way for the rest of the room. And then these are just his little shoes. Look at these cute little water shoes for the summer. Yeah, extra shoes, some hats. Of course, we're sharing that LA, California love. And then in here is just some like random things. His bow tie, ear covers for when we go to football games, and some sunglasses. And then that's just his adorable little robe, which I know I've shared before. It's so freaking cute. But so yeah, that is everything in this closet. As you can see, it is pretty minimalist and empty. You enjoying the closet tour? Okay, then the second closet in Max's room is what I call like a supplies closet. And so there's no clothing in here, just like extra stuff that we need. And again, it's pretty minimal. So as you can see, the top shelves are all empty. This third shelf, I just keep extra, I think these are wipes in here. Yeah, extra wipes. And then this is some stain remover if we ever need it for his clothes, because I keep his laundry bin right down there, so if I ever need the stain remover, it's up here where he can't reach it. And then I just keep one book in here. It's called Baby 411. It's one of those really helpful, like all-encompassing, like, oh my gosh, my baby's doing this, is this okay? You know, mostly like medical, sleeping, health, all that kind of stuff in there. And these are just some boxes that we have stuff from like when he was born, special mementos and stuff like that, and his little piggy bank that he got when he was born. And then here I just keep extra diapers. This is a cute little handprint footprint thing for when he was a little baby. And then down here, these bins I believe are from Target, and these are just a few extra books. We have a lot of books in his room. That's one thing I've always said we're not minimalists about. So I'm always looking for different places to put the books so he can, you know, access them and find them in a new way. And then yeah, dirty laundry and an extra backpack. And that's Mr. Bear, who's always guarding the closets for us. I'll just give you guys another peek at this side of the closet. Okay, then the last storage spot in Max's room is his dresser. This one is from Macy's. I'll see if I can find a link to it below. It's like an adult size dresser. I looked a lot when I was designing his nursery, and all the kids' dressers were like the same price but just a lot smaller. So we went with an adult one, and I'm sure it will grow with him. So yeah, so I'll show you guys the top of the dresser. Just some books, a special hospital blanket from when he was born that was made into a little bunny for him. That's his Hebrew name, Micha. And yeah, diapers. We have sleep diapers, regular diapers, wipes, and then stuff we need every day like lotion, saline solution, Aquaphor, hairbrush, that kind of stuff. And his monitor. Okay, so there are 7 shelves in the dresser. The top one, this is my messy drawer. This is just pajamas. I do not fold pajamas. I do not see the point in it. They don't even wrinkle. So yeah, those are all his pajamas, and I just keep them in there. Then this shelf is like, I guess, medical stuff, like, you know, Tylenol, lotions, sunscreen, bug spray, all that kind of stuff I keep in here. Extra toothpaste, all those kinds of things for him. Thermometer are all in that drawer. Then this drawer, I just keep socks in this little bin and bibs over here. Other than that, the drawer is empty. And then coming back over to this drawer, these are the non-school clothes I have for Max. So I separate between school and non-school, which really helps me. So this is just t-shirts, shorts and onesies, sweaters, long sleeves, and pants. So that's his non-school wardrobe right now. And then down here are his school clothes, and most of these are the ones that are in the wash because he wears them every day, but long sleeves, shorts, and long pants. And what's really nice about this is it doesn't matter if I'm getting him dressed or his dad's getting him dressed. He knows he can just take anything out of this drawer and it'll be perfect for a school day. And then these are 2 more just like supplies drawers, I guess I would call them. These are his bathing suits that I haven't like washed and put away yet for the summer. Some extra blankets, including another hospital blanket from when he was born. And then the last drawer is really just extra supplies. These are some like drawer dividers I got at IKEA but haven't really used. And then an extra crib sheet. And these are, these things, by the way, they're called wee-wee pads. They're actually from our puppies, but we used to use them when we were changing him. Those can probably actually go now. He doesn't need those anymore. Okay guys, so that is our minimalist closet and organization tour. I hope you liked it and were inspired to have a more minimalist life with your kids, because I know it's definitely helped me, so I love to spread the word. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel below. I'll see you next time. Bye!